teleprompters are broken. They have been broken since 1950s. And in this video, we're going to fix them for free in your browser. Let's go. But first, I need to tell you a secret. Every single word I have said in this video so far, I've been reading it off a teleprompter this entire time. You couldn't tell, right? That's the point, because this teleprompter doesn't scroll on a timer. It scrolls because I'm speaking the words. Check this out. It's waiting for me. I stop, it stops. I breathe, it breathes. And the second I start reading again, it catches me like I never left. This is Promptmatics. And yeah, I built it. If you want to jump around, that's cool by me. But the wild stuff is near the end. And trust me, you want the context. Why do teleprompters make everybody sound like a hostage reading a ransom note? Because every conventional teleprompter on earth has the same fatal flaw. It scrolls on a clock. But you're not a clock. You're a human. You speed up when you get excited. You slow down to land a point. You pause for effect. See what I did there? So with a normal prompter, one of two things happens. So here it is, my teleprompter, Promptmatics. It's a website, no download, no install, no account. I put my words in, I press start, and I just read. Look at what's happening. The word I'm saying right now is highlighted, sitting exactly at my eye line. Everything I already said fades back. Everything ahead stays bright and the page glides with my voice. It's not chasing me, it's attached to me. All right, party tricks. Here we go. Number one, silence. That's it, that's the trick. I stop talking so the words stop moving. Take a breath, take a drink, take a compliment from the room. The script waits for you. Number two, and this is the one that sold me, going off script. Watch, I'm going to stop reading right now and just talk to you like a person. Oh, by the way, totally unrelated. This is my third cup of tea today, and I regret absolutely nothing. Look at the little badges in the corner. It says ad lib. The prompter knows I wandered off and is just holding my place patiently, like a golden retriever with a tennis ball. Now I head back to the script, and the moment I say two words in a row from the page, boom, reattached exactly where I left off. Oh, and small stumbles if I mispronounce Kubernetes or Kubernetes or Kubernetes. It doesn't care. Little flubs get absorbed. It's tracking your reading, not grading it. Number three, what if you're actually lost? Like fully, genuinely lost. You click the sentence you want. That's it. That's the whole gesture. The prompter cue's right there. You keep talking and the room never even knew. Tracking doesn't have to be perfect to be trustworthy when recovery is just one click away. Think about what a teleprompter has that no other speech app on the planet has. It knows what you're going to say before you say it. It has the script in advance. So Promptmatics reads your script, pulls the rare words, the names, the jargon, the product terms, all the stuff speech recognition normally butchers, and sends them to the recognizer as a custom dictionary before you ever open your mouth. Under the hood, this runs on Speechmatics. Real production grade, real-time speech recognition. Partial results land in under half a second, which is why the cursor feels glued to your voice. It's called Smart Rewrite, and it fixes a problem you didn't even know could be fixed. Scenario: you're mid-take, you're feeling good, and you decide to skip an entire section. You just yeet a whole paragraph. Happens all the time. So watch this. Smart Rewrite is on, and I'm going to skip a section live right now inside this exact script. And I just skipped the entire paragraph that contained the proof. Every number, every detail gone. Now hold on. Watch what happens below me. And that verification exactly why I trust this engine with a live take. The track engine is covered by 125 automated tests, and the JavaScript engine was verified against the original Python implementation with identical outputs across thousands of fuzzy match pairs and 436 event replays at one of my real reading sessions. Did you catch that? I never read the numbers, I skipped them. And the app noticed, pulled the essential facts out of the section I yeet and vote them into the very next thing I said in my own voice. Everything else stays word for word. Press stop at any point and the master script is always restored. Your writing is never overwritten, ever. Quick lightning round for my camera people. Mirror mode, one key. For beam splitter glass rigs, horizontal flip, vertical flip, or both. Eye line control. Put the current line exactly where your lens is. Top, center, bottom, anywhere. Full screen. Nothing on screen but the words. A live HUD with your words per minute elapsed time and time remaining, or hide all of it. An auto loop for rehearsal so the script restarts from the top and you can run it until it's in your bones. Okay, so what is the catch? What does it cost? The app is free. I built it for you guys. You bring your own key from Speechmatics and getting one is free and it takes a minute. Privacy people, I see you. Your key lives in your browser. Your scripts live in your browser. No accounts, no server, no database. Nothing gets uploaded ever. Not ready for a key? There's a demo mode where a simulator reads the script so you can play with every single feature, including the smart rewrite with zero setup, zero. All right, speedrun, clock me. Land on the page, paste the key, pick a microphone, drop in the script, press start, and talk. Under a minute, from a blank browser tab to a teleprompter that follows your voice. It held through every pause, every flub, every tangent, and you never once saw me look lost. That's the product. I built this thing because I needed it. Turns out everybody who reads out loud for a living needs it. Link is in description. It is free. Go read something with your voice.